Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup prep with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This gel-based and hydrating face primer is designed to not only smooth your skin, but also grip your makeup, ensuring it lasts all day long. With a hydrating formula that contains skin-loving ingredients, let's see if this product truly lives up to the hype. The e.l.f. Power Grip Primer comes in a sleek 0.811 ml 24 ml bottle, featuring a clear gel formula that applies smoothly to the skin. It's suitable for all skin types and tones, going on clear with a translucent finish. One of its standout features is that it's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. Infused with powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, this primer not only preps your skin for makeup but also moisturizes, leaving your complexion looking plump and refreshed. When I first used this primer, I found the application process quite simple. Following the instructions, I applied it evenly to my face using my fingertips, allowing the warmth of my fingers to help the product melt into my skin. Within just 30 seconds, it felt like it had fully set, creating a smooth base for my makeup. In terms of performance, I was pleasantly surprised. The e.l.f. Power Grip Primer effectively gripped my foundation, providing a nice, natural finish that lasted throughout the day. I tested it during a busy day out, and my makeup stayed in place without any creasing or fading, even after several hours. It truly lives up to its promise of providing a smooth and gripping layer for makeup. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the primer's hydrating properties, lightweight feel, and effective makeup grip are significant strengths. However, some may find the gel texture a bit too tacky at first, which could be a slight drawback for those who prefer a more matte finish. When compared to other primers on the market, like the Smashbox Photo Finish or the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer stands out due to its affordability. While those alternatives might offer additional features, e.l.f. provides excellent performance without breaking the bank, making it a fantastic budget-friendly option. Speaking of value, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is priced incredibly well for the quality you receive. Its hydration benefits, combined with a solid makeup hold, make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their makeup routine. As for build quality, the packaging is functional and straightforward. The pump dispenses the right amount of product without any mess. I encountered no issues with durability or design flaws during my testing period. User-friendliness is another highlight. The gel-based formula glides on effortlessly, and the instructions are clear, making it easy for beginners to achieve a flawless finish. Plus, e.l.f.'s commitment to being 100% cruelty-free and vegan is an added bonus for conscientious consumers. In my real-world testing, I used this primer under various makeup products, from liquid foundations to powders, and it performed admirably across the board. I also monitored my skin's hydration levels throughout the day, and I'm pleased to report that it maintained moisture without feeling greasy. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us bring you more fantastic content like this. As for updates, I didn't notice any significant changes in the product since its launch. It appears that e.l.f. has maintained its commitment to quality with this formula. In conclusion, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game. I would absolutely recommend it, especially for those who are new to makeup or anyone on a budget. This primer is ideal for makeup enthusiasts of all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. Its hydrating properties make it particularly beneficial for those with dry or combination skin types. Looking ahead to longevity, I found the primer held up well over extended use, remaining reliable even after multiple applications. Finally, e.l.f. has received numerous praises for its effective products, and this primer is no exception. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, consider the Milani Hydrating Primer or the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Both offer solid performance at comparable prices. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments about this product or share your own experiences if you've tried it. Happy priming!